Are you still using ChatGPT and PowerPoint to build presentations and wasting way too much time? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this AI, the link in the description that can completely change the way you create PowerPoint slides. It saves you hours of work and makes your presentations look like they were designed by a professional. I'm here on AiPPT.com. I'll leave the link down below in the description so you can try it along with me. You can test it for free, but I'm going to log in with my account and show you exactly how it works. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the interface is very clean and simple. I'll click on Create with Topic. Now all I need to do is enter a prompt. I'll keep it simple: the benefits of AI and its impact on human beings. You can also upload reference documents here if you want, but I'll show you that in another demo. Before generating, you can customize a few things like the number of slides, output language, tone, audience, and presentation scenario. Once everything is set, just click Generate. In seconds, AiPPT creates a complete outline based on my prompt. Next, I'll choose a template. There are tons of styles available. I'll choose one. Then I click Generate PPT. Now watch this. In real time, AiPPT builds a full presentation, usually around 10 to 15 slides, in just a few seconds. Once it's done, I can edit any slides I want, also change the images. I have multiple options. After I finish, I can download it as a PowerPoint file, a PDF, or even images. For now, I'll click Continue on PDF, and here it is. The entire presentation I just created with AiPPT is now open in PDF, fully editable, just like any presentation you've ever made, except this one took minutes instead of hours. Click the link in the description to start your presentation. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.